No, it's on.
God, you broke it.
Just kidding. I was gonna say, you gonna take off? Because my face is pretty close.
Going on a mountain bike adventure. I got a loaner e-bike. It's gonna be sick. There's e-bikes everywhere. There's a bunch of bike nerds doing things. And these guys are gonna bunny hop a TV. Maybe. E-bike, check this out. It's got a dashboard and a button to make it go faster and slower. It's in eco mode right now. It's just like helps a little bit because it's cold. So I figure get warmed up and then I can enjoy the more powerful features when we go uphill. It's a huge run going on today. Also, cruise along, e-bike status. I've now switched into the almost highest mode because we went uphill and I was really feeling it. There was a bunch of off-roading. It was rad. This guy's got a stroller. That's sick. We're getting off the runner route, I think, and going into neighborhood hill section number 1. And we did this a couple years ago on regular non-e-bikes, and it was all bad.
It's brutal, dude. This doesn't last long. I promise you that. Anybody not on an e-bike might want to follow my lead.
Oh, this is layer down spot because you gotta try real hard.
But when you ride an e-bike, you never overheat.
You just use a different gear or push the easier button if you want.
Drop your heels and try less.
Drop your heels and try less.
Half as hard, twice as far.
But I mean, this is realistically a pretty steep hill.
Oh yeah, no, this is.
And a few years ago, back when I rode bikes, we rode up this in the same route, and I remember thinking to myself, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, this isn't.
I certainly would not have whipped out my GoPro and started talking. Now, mind you, I haven't been on a bike in a while, so
yeah,
it's just a.
Figuarellis, so.
Oh yeah, it's even worse. But e-bike for the win.
I did this like 4 times yesterday just for fun.
We made it. Yeah. It was like, how many minutes was that? 5 minutes? I can't walk for 5 minutes up a hill like that, let alone carry my backpack or ride a bike.
I'd pack that up.
Yeah, these guys have witnessed my out of fitness. Look, Thumbstain's so excited, he's ready to go. Right about, it's behind the cloud, right on that ridge right there is where we're gonna end up. If you can't see, right there. He said it's 3,200, 3,000 feet, something like that. I hope I got 83%. I better make it. Be sad panda. So we rode this pretty steep hill. I'm in like low gear, but I turned the turbo mode on, and you can like just ride one-handed, cruise along. You still have to pedal, but you're like, someone's pushing you or pulling you or helping you. Like, it's not like I can't feel this at all. Something's happening for sure, but it's pretty cool. Top-ish area of the trail, and I just turned the camera on. I'm kind of out of breath because, like, of course you're outside doing things, but compared to 2 years or 3 years ago, last time I pedaled a regular bicycle up here, this was what was stopping point and prevent death spot number 2. We were passing by spot number 1 a while ago. So super cool. Turkey Day, super bike nerd ride. We're like, I don't know, a little close to halfway. I think we go this way and then that way, and we're gonna end up, see the tower?
Not the tower?
No, this middle hump just above his head right there. Right there. That's pretty steep. I'm able to ride around one-handed, get the camera out. I know. Hot rod's back there. I took it out of turbo mode. and I put it in EMTB, which is one step lower apparently, and slightly more work. It's like less help. But here, turbo mode. Boop. Oh, that's much easier. It's pretty dialed. Oh, and I got my flight gear in the backpack this whole time. Forgot about that. Back to turbo. Because there's a hill. And it makes this one-handed stuff so much easier. You just kind of like hold on the bars a little bit, lean back, pedal.
Possible.
Yeah, I would have never been able to talk to a camera and ride a bike at the same time. Even when we rode bikes on a regular basis. Well, like it wasn't, take a turbo, it wasn't really a thing. And I used to ride bikes a lot, like 20 pounds ago maybe. No, 10 pounds ago. That's a nice thing about getting outdoors. You get some way better views. And we're gonna get to the spot and I'm gonna fly the quadcopter from up there. It's gonna be pretty cool. To the top with no major distresses. The green stallion is my new favorite thing, I think. That was awesome. We did the super steep climb that I wussed out on last time I was up here. But made it to basically top. I'm gonna go find a spot, maybe post up there, fly some copter. Maybe give these clouds a second to break. Going. The Ranger came over right after I flew my second battery pack, and like while I was flying, like, hey Charlie, the Ranger's here. So I landed, and the Ranger's been cool. He's been chilling. Told us don't fly the drone anymore. That's just fair enough. I could see that. I wouldn't want people flying drones in my park. There's a fire road and a bike path and all sorts of nonsense. Merry Christmas!
Damn it,